Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSESI. So today is day 18 of the a&aglitter advent calendar. So here is number 18. Ooh, we have holographic silver 008. I'm guessing this is fine. Yeah, so pretty. Love, love, love. So again, we are going to swatch, review. This is so pretty. I love me some hollow. There's the back. It's a little bit cloudy because the acrylic is still wet, but it's better when it's out of focus. See? And then when it goes into focus, it's not so great. But beautiful. We love that. Again, holographic silver 008. Oh shit. It's because it was attached to my glove still. Right, that is it for today's video. Nice, short and sweet. Thank you all so much for watching, and you will see me tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.